and 3. Stay down all the way. And now I'm giving you a very simple exercise to strengthen the joints around the knee and your quads. So the knees are bent and together if it's possible. The feet are not too close to your seat. You stretch one leg. The tricky part here is to be able to keep the knees at the same level. So the leg that is straight shouldn't go too much above the knee or too much below, okay? Should stay at the same level. From here, you bend and stretch the leg. Maybe you can get a little closer with the other heel, with the bottom heel. Yes, stretch. Let's do 5 each leg. And this is the same feeling you should have when you do the mat or anywhere in the system when you do the bicycle.